The P120 is a professional handheld stud finder that comes in this protective pouch and has a backlit digital display. It'll detect timber, magnetic and non-magnetic metals, PVC, conduit and live wires all up to a depth of 120 millimeters. When you're in automatic mode, it'll detect a stud or an object behind the surface that you can't see and identify what material it's made from. The top row is the strength of signal, marking the depth of the obstruction. The middle row shows the center of the stud. So once you've found your center, you can either make a mark in the center of the hole or directly above. It has 3 modes, so you can set it to search for a specific material like active electrical for additional accuracy, although for the purposes of my testing, leaving it in automatic was sufficiently accurate. I personally love that it can detect Rio inside a concrete. That's going to save me more than a few masonry drill bits. The P120 is a professional stud finder. It can be used across all the trades from construction to hanging a picture frame. As always, if you have any questions about the P120 stud finder from Pinpoint, hit me up in that comment section below. And until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.